This video is about the ACT350 weight transmitter from Mettler Toledo. Watch this video to see how you can speed up weighing and save installation time with a Siemens PLC. The ACT350 can be used for conveyor scales. The transmitter is ideal for tank, silo, reactor, and hopper scales. It can be used for arrays of multi-line gravimetric filling machines. Thanks to high-speed weighing, the ACT350 is excellent for drum and big bag filling applications. The ACT350 is available for PROFINET and Profibus. The transmitter features an integrated display to show the weight and configuration information. The small keypad is used in combination with the display to configure settings. LEDs provide status information quickly. Dual-port industrial Ethernet supports daisy chain and ring network topologies and simplifies installation of multi-transmitter weighing applications. Its high-speed 600 Hz weight update rate allows fast and precise weighing for inspection or classifying applications. Its high-speed weight update rate also allows fast and precise weighing for applications such as filling. The ACT350 features 5 digital outputs with set points. This allows fast response to weight changes. For direct tearing and zero setting, it has 3 digital 24 VDC inputs. We will show you how to connect an ACT350 transmitter to a Siemens S7 1200 PLC. The installation for this presentation consists of a computer for programming, 2 ACT350 transmitters, and a Siemens PLC. Open your Siemens TIA portal. Open your Siemens TIA project to integrate the ACT350 weight transmitter. Select the ACT350 weight transmitter from Catalog and add it to your project. Mettler Toledo provides the GSDML file for simple integration. Connect the ACT350 weight transmitter to the PLC. Download project into the Siemens PLC. Go online to verify configuration. The green check marks confirm successful installation and connection to the ACT350. Open PLC tags to see status and weight value. Now you can see all status information, including heartbeat that shows connection, data OK bit, and weight value. The alarm bit is on if any error such as underload is detected. The motion bit is on if weight is unstable. All LEDs are solid green and not flashing, indicating that everything is okay. ACT350 is available for Profibus and PROFINET. The PLC files which we used in this demonstration can be downloaded from the Mettler Toledo homepage at www.mt.com/ind-ACT350. Just click to the Documentation tab.